see that little guy running across my desk, picking up dirt, debris, and food crumbs along the way? Well, he just might be the most useful desk gadget I've come across in years. Yeah, it's a tiny vacuum designed to turn your workspace from sloppy to immaculate in less time than you can say, "Shut up and take my money." This is the ODISTAR Desktop Vacuum Cleaner, a TikTok sensation if there ever was one. Well, as far as viral products go anyway. It's been blowing up with over 18,000 reviews on Amazon to date and shows no signs of slowing. But is this mini vacuum actually worth your money, or is it just another desk gadget bound to eventually sit unused, sad, lonely, and abandoned? Well, I've been testing this thing for the past couple of months, and I've got the scoop on the good, the bad, and the why in God's name didn't they make this thing automated? Let's have a closer look. Picture, for a moment if you will, a robot vacuum that went through a shrink ray. This thing is pretty tiny. We're talking 3 inches wide, 2.5 inches tall, and it weighs about 1/4 pound. Literally fits in the palm of your hand. Now, Odestar, who launched in 2018, designed this product specifically to solve desktop cleaning problems. No, not the type of desktop on your computer, your actual desktop. And they've been updating their motor technology ever since. The design is pretty straightforward. It's a cordless handheld vacuum with a 360-degree rotatable design and built-in brushes on the bottom. It comes in a few different colors as well, though from what I've seen, it's most commonly available in either a black or a white body. Setup is dead simple. In most cases, the vacuum is ready to be used right out of the box. Though in some cases, the battery will be dead when you first open it up, so you'll have to give it a charge before using it. The packaging is quite minimal, and it's not wasteful, which I appreciate. Everything arrives in a compact box that's just big enough for the vacuum. Okay, let's talk performance. Starting with what this thing does really well. First, the noise level. This is hands down maybe the most surprising feature. The vacuum is quite quiet, and it's almost spooky how quiet this thing is considering it's got a motor inside that runs at 9,000 RPM. Here it is running with my microphone. Not bad. Now let's talk suction power. For such a tiny device, the suction on the vacuum is really impressive. It has a 1,000 PA of suction power, and like I said, the engine spins at 9,000 RPM. So it's not going to replace your Dyson. But for desk debris, crumbs, dust, keyboard gunk, and those mystery particles that somehow accumulate around your mouse, it's perfect for that. I've tested it on everything from breadcrumbs to flour, pet hair, and it handled all of them in just a few passes. Now let's talk about the size and portability as well as the aesthetics. This thing is quite compact. I can leave it on my desk without it taking up too much valuable space, or just tuck it in a drawer when I'm not using it. It fits under my monitor shelf perfectly, and because it's cordless, you can take it anywhere. Your kitchen counter, your car, even to clean up crafting messes. It's also a decent looking gadget, so you won't be tempted to throw it in a junk drawer for it to never be used again. As for ease of use and speed, well, there's literally just one switch. That's it. Press it on, press it off. And the 360-degree rotation also means you can maneuver into corners and around objects easily. The rounded corners help with that as well. Cleaning my whole desk takes maybe a minute. I'm talking to turn it on, sweep it across my keyboard and desk surface, and then you just turn it off and you're done. That's way faster than grabbing a cloth or dealing with a full-sized vacuum. But it's not perfect. Let's talk about the limitations, because there are a few you should know about. First, edge cleaning issues. Because of its shape and design, the vacuum doesn't get super close to every edge. So if you've got crumbs around the base of your monitor or along the edge of, your speakers on your desk, you'll need to brush those away from the edge first. The built-in brushes help, but they also keep the vacuum from sitting completely flush against surfaces. It's fairly limited to small debris, The instruction manual is actually quite specific that this is meant for small, thin scraps, paper bits, keyboard dust, crumbs, pet hair, rubber shavings. That's about it. Don't try to vacuum up rice, oats, or chocolate chips. It'll struggle with some of these heavier items like that. It has a clearance of only 1/4 of an inch, so anything bigger than a breadcrumb is going to be pushing it. Also, the emptying process I found isn't great. When you twist it open, the top to empty the debris, some of it spills out, which isn't great. And yes, that means you can get a face full of dust and crumbs if you're not careful. So lesson learned there, I guess. Be mindful of where you're gripping it and what you open it over top of. So who's this cool little vacuum for? And who should buy it? Well, I think it's perfect for anyone who eats at their desk, like me. Remote workers who want a quick cleanup solution within arm's reach. Maybe students in dorms with limited space or messy roommates. People with just generally messy keyboards and workspaces. Even for gamers, this is really great. Plant parents who need to clean up soil spills. Anyone with pets that shed a lot of hair on their desks or counters. And I guess people who want a quieter alternative to full-size vacuums for small messes. Who it's not ideal for is probably people who need to clean large areas. Anyone expecting full vacuum cleaner power from this just won't get it. And anyone who needs to pick up larger food scraps or heavier debris. Let's talk price and value. For only $13 to $16, what you get is actually an amazing value proposition. It's a really tiny investment towards letting you keep your desktop area and other small spaces much cleaner. Now, is this an essential gadget? Probably not. You can absolutely clean your desk with a damp cloth, but is it convenient? Yeah, it is, incredibly so. And it's extremely satisfying to use. I give this thing a solid 7 out of 10. It does exactly what it promises for small-scale desktop cleaning. The quiet operation alone makes it worth it for me. Just be aware of some of those limitations I mentioned. The only major letdown of this product is something I mentioned at the beginning, in that it's not automated. Imagine this guy acting like a tiny little automated Roomba, rest in peace, running around on your desk. And sure, that would probably triple or quadruple the price of a little gadget like this, maybe even more. But hell, it's 2026. This thing would be 10 times as compelling if it were automated. Okay, that's it for my review of the ODISTAR Desktop Vacuum Cleaner. A tiny, useful, and satisfying gadget that is in desperate need of a technology update. If not only for the fact that it would instantly go viral all over the clip platforms these days, but in the meantime, if your desk is a disaster zone like mine once was, this might be the solution you didn't know you needed. If you want to pick one up for your desk, I've left a link below in the description. And of course, if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more desk gadget reviews like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.